Threading is engaged. It's a Jet 1440 ZX geared head, heavy duty, 3 1/8 through hole. It's got a quick change tool post with some holders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one on it. Then the original, that tool post that comes with it. You got your center for the head and center for the tailstock. There's a few drill chucks, manuals, levelers, pads, etc., wrenches, more inserts for your steady and follow. There's a 12-inch forejaw here, a 12-inch faceplate, 10-inch through jaw, follow rest, steady rest. It's got a coolant pump, 2-axis Acu-Rite digital readout, work light. The manuals are all there. It's ready to go, folks. And it also has this cam type system for setting up for if you want to cut journals at different depths and stops. You just turn this, indexes to your next one. So you set these where you want and then just index it to your next journal point. Pretty trick. Brake on it works great. It's wired 220 volt 3-phase, can be wired 440. Switching some taps around. Very low hour, as you can tell. It's just as clean as we like to get them. Thanks for watching.